Welcome to Flow-Based Code. Now, let's see the different pages over here. That's under the optional extras. We have different pages like financial tracker, job application, networking and contact list, and then we have scholarship and opportunities. So I'll just try to go and show you how to use these particular pages in the student planner. So first, let me just try to go for the finance tracker over here. So here, like you can track all your expenses. So for example, if you want to go and add a new expense, you can just try to use this button add expense and then like add your expense over here. And then here you can see the monthly records and all expenses. So if I go and click all expenses, you can see these are going to be the different expenses, how much ever I have spent and what date and for which category I have spent. You will be able to completely track it from the expense records over here. So next is we have the expense this month. So whatever expense you have made this particular month, you will be able to see. So for this month, there is zero expense. Since I have not added any expense details over here, that's why it is actually zero over here. So next in the optional extras we have is the job application tracker. So here you can go and like try to track your job applications from this one. So here you first have your job profile. So like you can have different job profiles. So let's say you are software engineer, you can even be like a full stack engineer, like different profiles you can have. So like that, you can just try to have some different profiles. And then your portfolio, you can have what is going to be portfolio you have. And then the cover letters, you can have the complete cover letters over here. And then your resources. So whatever resources you want, you can just try to have it. So this is the complete job profile. Then below this one, you have the job application. So for what all jobs you have applied, you'll be able to completely see it. By status, you're actually seeing it. So for example, here you can see like preparing for application, then ready to apply, interview, and then applied stage. You'll be able to completely track it. Next, you have the all applications. So like all your applications, you'll be able to see it. And then the archive application also, you'll be able to see it. Next you have is the skill section. So below this skill section, you can see you have skills like the Python programming, team collaboration, and then Canvas. So these are some of the skills. So if you want to go and add a new skill for your skill set, you can just try to go click new here and then add a new skill set. Next below this, you have the project and portfolio projects, whatever you want to mention. So all these are the projects, whatever you have done, you can just try to mention it over here. So next you have the career goals. You can just try to go have what are your short-term and your long-term career goals over here. Last, we have the application calendar over here. So this is the complete application calendar. So I'll just try to go for some other months. So you can see on which day the particular application has been made, you'll be able to completely see it. Okay. So this is the complete application calendar. So with the help of this particular page, like you can track all your applications, your resumes, your skill set, and what all you have applied, everything you'll be able to completely track with the help of this job application page. So next we have is the networking and contact list. Here you can have all your networking people. You can just try to go and add all your people who all you want to actually network with. And then you can just try to add a contact card for all of them. So here you can see by list, you're having some categories like career counselor, classmate, mentor, like this, some different categories are there. So you can see by category, you're able to like see all the people overall in a network, you'll be able to completely track it from here. Then the last is we have the scholarship and opportunities. So here you can like maintain all your scholarship, whatever you applied for and how and whether you've got the scholarship or not, you can completely maintain from here. So here you can see the scholarship, then you have your opportunities, then you have all the list of scholarships, whatever you have, you are able to see it over here. Then by result, you can see how many are to apply and then in progress, applied and then interview stage. So that also you will be able to completely see. So admitted and then rejected. So these are the different status we have. So you'll be able to see all your scholarships by the status over there. And then you have the calendar view for the scholarships. So here you can see when it was applied, the complete calendar view, you will be able to see it. So these are some of the optional pages like the finance, job application, networking and scholarship to like completely maintain and track your applications, networking and finance for your need.